Maxim 48. A rich profligate is a lump of earth gilded, and a pious dervish is a sweetheart besmeared with earth. The latter is the patched garment of Moses, and the former is the bejeweled beard of Pharaoh. Nevertheless, good men retain a cheerful countenance in adversity, whilst the rich droop their heads even in prosperity. Who possesses wealth and dignity, but therewith succors not those whose minds are distressed, informs him that no kind of wealth and dignity he will enjoy in the mansion of the next world. And whether we're rich or poor, we're given opportunities that other people aren't given. We need to take advantage of them to to maintain ourselves a real honor, real dignity in this world and in the next world, which is, of course, the multiplication of anything of value, the crystallization of who we really are in thought and spirit.